Welcome, John. Welcome, Chanel, Chandra. Welcome to my channel. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Since this is the Friday, let's have some pre-party, okay? Let's have some pre-party. Let me give me 1 minute, because I'm just gonna have to share the link to the group for everyone to know. Okay. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna close it. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Let's get a party started. Since I'm talking about a party, because it's the Friday, I'm actually so in the party mood. I can't wait to hang out with my friend later on. So, before I do that, I really have to put myself in the mood. Then let's get it started. My speaker right here.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So guys, if you're looking for something that's gonna make your Friday party, weekend party awesome, this is the one for you. Welcome, welcome, Chaudhary. Welcome, Chaudhary. Well, say it's powerful. That's because I didn't charge that yesterday. I didn't charge that yesterday, but I can start with this one. So, it's a Bluetooth speaker. As we speak right here, it's a Bluetooth speaker for sure. They have lots of the samples right here. A lot of them. Oh. So you can see that. Okay, and this is my RGB keyboard. I have to connect to this first. My RGB keyboard right here. Okay, I think it's time for me to turn down the lights a little bit more, then you understand what I'm talking about right here. And I will charge this one at the same time. So I'm going to charge this one at the same time. Oh, looks like something is connected. This is a Bluetooth speaker. It's a wireless speaker, so it's used in Bluetooth version 5.2, which is high speed and stable. Also hi-fi quality transmission. And also it's a radio set. It's a radio set, so you can listen to the FM radio on this one with the digital tuner. Okay? Sorry for that. And it's a Bluetooth speaker, as I speak already, and it has accessory, which means you can also use the wire cable connected to your computer if the host does not have the Bluetooth capability. And the sound of this one is absolutely crazy. It's ridiculous because it has dual woofer bass. These two, it has 4 speakers right here, as you can see. 2 of them are the passive radiators. These 2 are the passive radiators, which means they can boost the bass to a crazy level. Seriously, we're gonna have a test later on. And there are like all the buttons right here to control sound choices, pause and play the music. Mode choices, like you can switch from between the radio, Bluetooth, and auxiliary, all you want. Also, this is the alarm clock. So their clock is gonna be displayed from the middle. Let me show you. I'm not sure if this is gonna be on, but time for us to have a little party, huh? If you are looking for something for the outdoor party, for your camping party, this is right for you. You see, you can take this as the boombox, right? Yes, no kidding, you can use this as a boombox. So basically, that's what it is. And apart from that, I have this. Do you know what this is? This is the microphone speaker. A microphone speaker. Oh, where is it? Okay, that's it. It's a microphone speaker. So it's okay. Yes, the microphone speaker amplifies your voice on one machine. So if you talk to a mic right here, your voice is gonna be amplified. And it also has the KTV mode, which is what I'm having for now. Then if you're singing, your voice is gonna be rendered with the effects like the echo and reverb at the same time. I will have a listen. This this is my sorry, this is my speaking voice, right? But if I want to be singing like Michael Jackson, that's what it's here for. Have you seen my childhood? I'm searching for the wandering come from. Okay, microphone speaker, so that gives you the sound. Okay, of course you can play the background music on this one for you to sing the real karaoke, like you are not alone, I am here with you. Also, it has the voice changer. Then changes the voice from the baby to baby voice, male to female, or female to male.
Female to
So
male.
this is female to male, which means if you're female, your voice is gonna sound like a male. But if you're already a male like my voice, your voice is gonna sound like Transformer. Okay, this is my voice. If I say I am Megatron, it does not sound like Megatron, right? But if I speak to the speaker,
I am Megatron. I am Mechan. I'm here to save the Earth.
okay. That's the female to male.
Male girl.
This is from male to female, which means you can now be singing like Britney Spears. Britney Spears like oh baby, baby, I wasn't supposed to know. But if you talk to the speaker,
Oh baby, baby, I wasn't supposed to know.
okay, it's really peachy, I have to say, but it's funny, right? It's so funny way for you to like have the party.
Childlike voice.
It's the childlike voice. Now, your voice is gonna sound like a child. Take a listen.
I am here with you. I am a
baby. Yes, that's my baby voice. Okay, I clearly when I was 5 years old, I clearly did not sound like this, but it's so much fun. Listen.
Take me close down.
How I wonder where you are. Now,
Original sound.
it's the original sound. It is in this mode that you can use this as the amplifier to amplify your voice for you to have your presentation, your meeting in the meeting room, either indoor or outdoor, for people to listen to you carefully. Now, if you want to imagine if I'm actually in the living room, in the meeting room with like 100 people, and I can't yell, right? I can't yell to to let people listen to me carefully. Then with this machine right here, you can absolutely speak in a very loud volume, effortlessly. You don't have to yell. Speak quietly, and your voice is gonna be amplified to a very loud level. Have a listen. Okay.
I have a dream.
I say I have a dream.
I have a dream.
Okay. You can absolutely now make your presentation effortlessly. You don't have to yell. Like speak quietly to this microphone, it's gonna make your sound very loud. But reserves the quality, the details of your voice at the same time. Finally, it's the KTV mode. It is in this mode that you can be singing like a pro. Let's say, have you seen my childhood? Or, you are not alone. I am here with you. Okay, enough about this one. It's KTV. It's the microphone speaker Bluetooth connection to your smartphone for the music playing. Long-lasting battery, very easy to charge by the USB-C to charge, and it has the TF-car reader as well, which means you can download the music to the TF-car reader and put this inside of this microphone. And it's gonna play this playlist in loop, alright, from the first one to the last one. So it's gonna directly read the music from the TF card because it's a reader there. So very full functional, multifunctional. Very loud, but also hi-fi quality at the same time. Long-lasting battery, DSP power to change your voice to different modes for you to have fun or carry out your street performing in a professional way.
Just like this.
My toss this aside, and then now it's time for me to introduce you something more interesting, which is the earbud. The earplug. So I have so many samples right here that I'm just dying for you to meet. I have like this traditional but very hi-fi quality. Why I keep having this? Can't believe that. I just got my voice out of this. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. And this is this is the traditional earplug with a very hi-fi quality, sound quality. It has very strong, deep bass, and long-lasting battery with this amazing charging box. This charging box is powerful enough for it to charge your phone. Yes, sometimes if your phone is dying, but you have to use that for the emergency. Welcome, John. Esper, welcome to my channel. Back, welcome, John. Happy weekend. Happy Friday. Wait, John. Joe, I'm sorry, Joe. I don't know what time is it in the US, but here it's almost the dinner time of Friday, which means it's time for us to have a party. So, happy weekend in advance. This one right here, not only can you charge the whole earplugs inside automatically, you can also charge your phone by using this. You can charge your phone, no kidding, for the emergency. Okay, sometimes your phone is dying, but you need to keep it on. Or your phone is already dead. You can switch it on, and there's no way for you to find a mobile charger. So you can use this as a mobile charger. You can connect your phone to this USB port right here and charge your phone for the emergency. And the charges the phone, charges the earplugs at the same time. Once the earplug is not inside, the connection to your phone will be finished automatically in 2 seconds, very fast. That's auto connection capability. And once it's inside of this box for charging, the crazy indicator here is going to show you the stator, and the connection to your phone will be disconnected automatically as well without any of your concern. Very, very nice. All right, if you're looking for something, if you're looking at an earplug with very, very wide dynamic range, very deep bass, very clear high frequency at the same time. This is the one for you. If you're really focused, if you're focusing on the sound quality, I am dying for you to have this one. And the price of this one, ask me about the price of this one, seriously. It's well, it's gonna amaze you by how cost effective this one is. All right. And if you're looking for something that looks absolutely cool, and also for gamer, I have these three types right here. Why they are called gamer earplugs? Because they have the sort of like the surrounding sound effects if you're playing games out of this. Okay, they are all wireless. Exactly same as this one. Well, this is the charging box. You see charging box, but you see it's beautiful. It has the beautiful RGB lighting right here. Okay, it has the RGB lighting right here. Looks beautiful. And the ear plugs inside is also the in-ear designing. As you can see, it's also the in-ear designing right here. Let's take a look at this. Okay. And it has the music and the game mode, which means that the sound is quite a little bit different. In the music mode, it's strong bass, very exciting music effects, but in the game mode, it's more for the positioning of the sound. All right, if you wanna focus on the, for example, if you wanna play a shooting game, it's more like it's focusing on the positioning of the objects approaching you. So it has two modes for it to switch, and this is the touching panel right here. It's the touching panel right here for you to switch the song, turn down, turn up the music, the volume, also stop or continue the playing by the touching actions right here, like 3 times, 1 time, 4 times, or even power on and off manually. But most of the time, you don't have to do the power on and off manually, because power on and off, even the connection to your phone, is completely automatically done by the ear plug already. So what you have to do is just take them out from the charging box, and the connection to your phone, it has an auto connection. The connection to your phone will be finished in only 2 seconds. But once they are inside of this charging box for charging, the connection to your phone will be disconnected automatically without any of your concern. Very, 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 very nice designing. Okay, and this, take a look at this once again. I'm not sure if we can see this red indicators right here because it looks really beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna turn down the lights because it's too bright. Okay. Yes, you can see that. Now you can see that clearly, right? Yes, the beautiful, beautiful RGB lights right here as the charging indicators. And it's the white one. I have the black version. Which one do you prefer? Let me know, okay? Would you like to use the black one or the white one? Just let me know. Okay, they are exactly the same. The only difference is the coloring. But I have another designing right here. It's also for gamer. This is also for gamer. And the designing of this one is slightly different. See? The ear plug is not really in-ear design. It's half in, half out. It's like half in, half open. So not really in yet. That close in your ear, which means that it's to some people probably it's more comfortable, but less bass. Yes, the in-ear design is absolutely very strong bass, but this is a half open design right here, so not that strong bass. However, the wearing feeling is probably more comfortable for some people, not everyone, all right? Because everyone has a little different opinion about this. Somebody likes the in-ear designing, somebody likes the open designing, so it's completely up to you. And also, there's indicators right here. I think it's out of the battery died. So there's the indicators right here, shows you how much battery left in with the digit. With the digit shows you how much battery left inside of this whole box right here. And they're all USB Type-C charging. They're all USB Type-C charging, so it's very easy for you to charge the whole box. Absolutely very nice. And this one right here, this is the ear plug. Well, I just talked about it before, I'm sorry. So that's the ear plug. And if you're interested in any of those, just let me know, okay? Now, let me show you something. I'm not sure how that's because somebody's using that. Okay, let me show you something. It's called a mechanical keyboard, which is right here. Okay, I'm gonna open the app for you to see how this works. So I'm gonna open the app right here. Guys, take a look at that. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Okay, it's creepy time, but this is how you can see this keyboard like clearly. So you can see that those lights are shining, very shiny, very shiny. You can see this from the smaller camera right here. Those lights are shiny, 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 very shiny. Okay, very, very shiny. Absolutely very shiny right here. Not this way. This way. Oh yeah, that would be better. That would be so much better. Yes, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So first of all, it's the mechanical keyboard. It's the real mechanical keyboard. You can feel the whole sound right here. It's very crispy, and the touching feeling is awesome. And you can replace the keys. That's the thing. Okay, you can replace the keys. You see, you can replace them. That's right here. Okay. So I'm supposed to put this in. Yes, you can replace the key, customize the, you know, well, anyway, and real mechanic keyboard. First of all, so whole touch feeling is absolutely very awesome. Secondly, it's the RGB mechanic keyboard. So now you see this crazy beautiful color show, lighting show right here. But if I switch this, you can see the different modes of this lighting right here. That's the constant mode, which means all the lights are on all the time. And this shows you like the different modes of the lighting show. You see it has the fades in, fades out. It's like the breathing mode. It's the breathing mode for now. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Also, if I go to this mode right here, this is the interactive mode, which means the lights can interact with you. How? Take a look at this. That's how it interacts with you. That's how it interacts with you. You see? That's how it interacts with you. So every time you touch the key, it's gonna generate the wave in the RGB coloring, and the center of the wave is gonna be the key you just hit. Okay, but if I go to next mode, let's say, let's take a look at the next mode. Okay, it's the same. It generates a wave, but only the line of the key you just hit. Okay, only the line of the key just hit. Welcome, Promote. Is it from Nepal? Thank you so much for coming, Promote. So you can see how it interacts. So it generates a wave from the key you just hit, but it only affects the line of the key, alright? Okay, I'm gonna switch to the next mode. Let's take a look at it. This is a very interesting mode. So it only interact with the key you just hit. You see, if you hit the key, the key is gonna light up. The rest of them are still in black. Take a look at this. Okay, what's the next mode? Take a look at this mode, okay? It's on, but yes, it's pretty much like the water, you know, like a very flat, quiet water. Very, very quiet until you touch the water somewhere and it's gonna generate the wave. That's how it is trying to simulating, okay? It's like the water waving mode. Yes, it's the water wavy mode. I'm not sure you guys can see this clear. Can you guys see this clearly? Okay. Wow. Okay. After that, let me switch to something else. That's the lighting show. Okay, basically that's the lighting show. So just gonna keep doing this kind of lighting show in loop. All right. That's one light. So this is another one, very beautifully, very beautifully. Okay. And let's go to this one. Okay, it's the wavy mode, but it's in outer way. Okay, let's go to the next mode. So it's the wavy mode from the center, and if I go to the next mode, okay. So basically, it's like a bunch of the presets of the lighting shows for you to choose from. Yes, this is like random lighting shows in color. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, enough of the showcase. What I want to say is, this is the real mechanical keyboard with RGB setting, and you can also program. Oh, it's absolutely too bright, like all of a sudden. You can also program the lighting effects, right? You can program the lighting effects. It's a real mechanical keyboard, on top of which it's RGB programmable keyboard, all of which makes this so nice. This keyboard is so nice. But people are gonna ask me, okay, it's a mechanical keyboard, which means it's probably gonna be very pricey. Yes, of course. I admit that if you go to the market, if you go to any of the markets, computer markets, looking for the mechanical keyboard, they are mostly very pricey. Like the price range of them is absolutely not so flattering. That's why I never buy the mechanical keyboard in a very long time, only because of the price range. However, this one that we made right here is absolutely very cost effective. I'm not saying this is as cheap as the traditional keyboard, but this is probably one of the cheapest mechanical keyboard you can ever find in the whole market. Let alone it has the RGB setting. Some of the so-called cheap mechanical keyboard is just a keyboard without the backlights, and this is the RGB backlights, programmable and real mechanical key settings. The price of this one is still one of the cheapest among all the mechanical keyboard. So if you're ever looking for the cost-effective mechanical keyboard, this is definitely the one for you. Seriously, just take a look at once again. Full functional, absolutely very crispy sound every time you touch it. Very nice. Absolutely very nice. Very accurate. Very, like very strong bouncing feeling out of each key. Each time you hit this key is absolutely very nice. And the key, very nice. Okay. The most important thing is the price of this one is so cost effective that it is so competitive among all the mechanical keyboard products. If the price is the reason that stop you from buying the mechanical keyboard over the past 10 years, now it's time for you to think about it twice, because we have something here that you can totally afford. On top of that, it's RGB programmable key. As for how much this is gonna cost, because I keep saying, okay, it's cost effective, it's cheap, blah blah blah, stuff like that. But people gonna ask me how much this is gonna cost, right? Okay, you can find the price of this one on Alibaba for sure. But for the viewers, YouTube, Facebook, ask me privately, text me the message. I will tell you how much this is gonna be. Seriously, it's 100% totally worth buying. Very competitive price mechanical keyboard. All right, okay, that's it. I'm gonna skip to something else. I want to do that, but it has no battery anymore. Okay. So finally, I want to talk about this one. Wireless speaker. When it comes to wireless speaker, I actually have a lot of choices, but this one, I'm not sure if I can make this work because it has no battery. Everything is out of battery. I don't know why. Okay. I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. First of all, let me see if I can turn on. Looks like I turned this on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, now the Bluetooth device is completely connected successfully by the indicators from inside. Okay, and now let's play some music. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's listen to some music to, enjoy the bass. What makes it so slow? The computer is kind of slow. I think it's a narration. Okay. I'm gonna try something. Without a copyright, okay? Because I'm on YouTube and Facebook at the same time, which means the copyright is very, very important, very, very, very strict. So I'm just gonna try something without a copyright. Let me do this. Guys, ready?
Battery is low. Please recharge in time.
Oh. I'm gonna reconnect to this.
Power off. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
The Bluetooth device is ready.
Power off.
Alright, still, I need to charge this. I have to say that I still have to charge this for a little while until I can use this as a demo. So, okay, before that, let me explain to you one more time about this one. Speakers, two passive bass radiators that really boosts the power of the bass to a crazy level. Look at the whole chamber right here. Probably can ask me, okay, it's a small chamber, which means that I'm probably not gonna give you a strong bass, but you're wrong. If you have the chance to listen to, go to some of my previous showcase video stream, you can see that the sound effects of this one is just, it absolutely beyond zero expectation. Like as a hi-fi geek, I never expected this one then can give me a strong bass, like boom, 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 and shake this table. Not like crazily, but it can shake the table for sure. But this one absolutely gives you strong bass because of this powerful two bass radiators right here, okay? And Bluetooth FM radio set, amplifier with the, you see the red port right here, that's for the microphone, so you can connect the microphone and start singing karaoke. My colleagues right here. Also, you can set up the alarm clock. You can set up the alarm clock, the equalizer. It has 3 equalizer choices for you, and the temperature tellers right here that gives you the temperature choices. It's gonna tell you how much temperature around you. Okay. Alarm clock, temperature teller, radio set, FM radio set, Bluetooth speaker. Of course, that's why we use this. That's why we use this most of the time. And it has music control button. So this is the stop. This is the pause and continue music. This is the last song, next song, the sound choices right here. That's the lights. That's the lighting effects right here. That's the lighting effects in the. So basically, I like it. Okay, and you can. Wow.
The Bluetooth device
And
is ready
you
to
can
pair.
take this out as
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You can take this. Oh, okay, now it's on.
Power off.
Okay, it's not gonna last very long. So you can take this as a boombox for you to have your little outdoor party, like right there. Seriously. So if you can take this to the basketball playground where you can play some hip hop music while we're playing the basketball, which is gonna make you so cool. And also, it has RGB lighting around the speakers, underneath all the keys, just like this right here. Absolutely fantastic, seriously. And very, very, very nice, absolutely very nice. Okay, microphone speaker right here, the Bluetooth speaker with the wireless connection, long-lasting battery, of course, and I have loads of the true wireless ear plugs right here in my live session for you to choose from. Okay, you want a gamer designing products, or you just want to have some hi-fi music. If you're a bass lover listening to hip-hop music, hip-hop, R&B, rock music a lot, this is absolutely one for you. EDM music as well, so very nice as we speak right here. And basically these are all things that I have to introduce. And also have like this, I forgot, I have this, the vacuum cleaner. It's right here, but the problem is I cannot demo that only because it's right here, only because it has no battery. Okay, that's how you vacuum out all the trashes, like this. Just like this. Easy, huh? Easy as pie. First of all, it's easy as pie, and it's portable, wireless, battery integrated inside, long-lasting battery, and very powerful. Easy to wash the chamber, break the chamber, dump everything into the water. That's it. Very easy. Easy to wash the trash chamber. Easy to wash the filter inside. Easy to do the cleaning inside of the car by using this. Of course, before this showed up, I couldn't come up with the ideal way to clean my car inside until this one shows up. It really helps me a lot, and it makes my life so much easier. It saves a lot of time for me, and it makes my room, my studio, my office, my car like very clean almost all the time. So thanks to the technology and the science we've been developing every day, we have those things that makes ours so much better. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. It's a lovely Friday, and I have to finish my live session today, and I really appreciate your time, your visiting, and I would love to see you next week in my live session. And my name is Billy. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Bye bye.